Oh. Feels nice. So just like you love having your hair washed. So
Yeah.
does he.
I'm surprised. I thought he would cry more. Like, you know, you see when babies get baptized, how they freak out, and then so I kind of thought he would do that in the tub.
I know. I think this is pretty great. So you don't have to worry about the little ears and little eyes getting wet. They, grew up. Or they were, the 9 months that they were in there.
It's funny now, he's got like little bald patches in his hair.
It's very cute when they get the little one at the back.
Yeah, it's like a little old man. And the same thing, just like sort of the same shampoo pressure, right? Just like
Just nice and soft. You can be sort of a little vigorous about it to get it dry, but just nice and soft, and you know his little soft spots there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're more like your dad now, with curly hair.
Let's get this standing up. Show us the curls. Oh, hello.
Hi. Good morning.
You're the stink eye.
Yeah. He's pretty good so far in the morning though. He's like calm.
He looks a lot
So
like my
relaxed.
sister right now.
Yeah, he does actually.
These little curls.